Are you ready to transform your meals into a balanced feast for a healthier you? Discover the joy of nourishing your body with delicious, well-rounded meals that boost energy and vitality. Welcome to Healthy Bites, and in today's video, you're going to realize that creating a meal plan is the only thing keeping you from reaching your weight goals and save you money in the grocery stores. A balanced meal plan is essential for overall well-being, supporting physical health and mental clarity. By eating a variety of nutrients, you can maintain your energy levels and improve your quality of life. A balanced meal includes proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each component plays a crucial role in your body, providing the necessary building blocks for growth, repair, and daily function. Incorporating a variety of foods is crucial for nutrition because it ensures you receive a broad spectrum of nutrients. Different foods offer unique benefits, helping to prevent deficiencies and promote optimal health. Use the plate method to effortlessly create balanced meals. Fill half your plate with veggies, a quarter with protein, and the remaining quarter with carbs. This simple guideline promotes portion control and nutritional balance. Meal prepping is a game changer for maintaining a balanced diet, offering the convenience of having nutritious meals ready to go, reducing weekday stress, and ensuring you stick to your health goals. For a quick and satisfying meal, try a grilled chicken salad packed with quinoa and mixed greens. It's a perfect blend of protein and fiber-rich ingredients for a nutritious boost. Whole grains are essential for sustained energy throughout the day. They help maintain blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer, making them a critical component of balanced meals. Stir-fried tofu with colorful veggies and brown rice is a simple yet delicious dish. It's packed with plant-based protein and vibrant vegetables that provide essential nutrients and delightful flavors. Batch cooking is an efficient way to prepare large quantities of staples like grains and proteins. This technique saves time and ensures you always have nutritious components ready for quick meals. Just a quick reminder, liking and subscribing allows me to keep making amazing videos like this. Your support means the world and helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Incorporating healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil is essential for brain function and heart health. These fats add flavor and satiety to meals, making them more enjoyable and nutritious. Salmon is a delicious source of omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health. Pair it with roasted vegetables and lentils for a nutrient-rich meal that offers a delightful balance of flavors and textures. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health. Including water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon in your diet helps maintain hydration levels, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking fresh and vibrant. I love to use seasonal produce enhances the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Fresh, seasonal fruits and vegetables are often more affordable and environmentally friendly, adding variety and excitement to your dishes. A hearty vegetable soup with beans and barley is a comforting, nutritious option. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing warmth and sustenance while supporting digestive health and overall well-being. Using your hand as a guide can help manage portion sizes, ensuring a balanced intake of proteins and carbs. This simple technique aids in maintaining control over meal proportions effortlessly. Keeping a food diary is an effective way to track meals and ensure nutritional balance. By recording your food intake, you can identify patterns and make informed adjustments for improved health. Overnight oats are a perfect breakfast solution, combining fruits and nuts for a satisfying start. This easy recipe offers a balanced mix of nutrients, making it both delicious and nutritious. Creating a balanced meal plan is not only simple, but beneficial. Incorporate diverse foods, manage portions, and track your intake to achieve a nutritious and satisfying diet effortlessly. Start planning your balanced meals today and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Share your favorite recipes in the comments, inspiring others to join you on this journey towards better nutrition.